Hi and welcome. Today we're going to look at the smartwatch for kids, and this is from EIOTCLUB, EIOTCLUB unlimited data plan, SIM only. So it looks like it contains a SIM as well. More fun and more safety. And let's see what information do we have on the back. So GPS, Wi-Fi, 4G, LTE, plus Wi-Fi, voice calls, SOS emergency, step tracking, fitness, voice messaging, OAT, software updates. So this is the MX3, battery 710 milliamperes. Yeah. This product is an electronic communication device. How you keep away from water. Okay, so let's just see. I really like the unboxing experience as well. There is a QR code to download more information. Here's a quick start guide. Let's see what we have in here. So we have the charging port, which is quite similar to other, and then there's also a SIM card. I'm not too sure if you have to pay anything extra or you have to activate it. Probably you have to, but you don't really need to use it as that. You can use it via Wi-Fi. So start guide. So there is an app called Maggie app. Scan the QR code to install it. Then you pair it. You just tap add. That's the old usual. And then you have to refill the data plan. So obviously you have to pay for that. Yeah, seems like straightforward. That is the watch itself, and it's definitely done to be safe for kids, because you can see this is made of plastic. This is very nice feeling rubber. You can replace them, which is good. On the back there's no sensors. I think that they made that for, to protect, because you don't know what these kind of sensors do to kids. So there's only the serial number in there, and there's a SIM tray, little hole in there. I'm not sure what it is. Let's just see if we can remove this SIM tray. I just want to quickly check something. Oh, okay, so that's the SIM tray for the card, and on the back it just has the number of the card, but I'm pretty sure you have to enable it, obviously. But I won't really use it, so I don't really care about replacing it or do anything of that. It comes with a screen protector pre-installed. There's a button in there, which I think it is clickable, yeah, and then this button. So let's just press and hold. Press and hold more. Oh, I think it was a bit discharged last time I've looked at it. So let's just quickly use the power bank to give it a bit of power. So this is magnetic, and it will attach on the back like this, and it starts charging. So as soon as you've installed the app, he will ask you to sign up, so I'll sign up. Okay guys, so I'm in. Let's just try and add the smartwatch. So it says, before proceeding, make sure the device is powered on with the SIM card already. Okay, let's see. I'm not gonna pay for anything. If it is like that, then it's useless to me. So let's just turn it on. So So the first thing is trying to detect the network. So then you have to fill in this, otherwise you can't go any further. Okay, so just to show you, after you fill in all the information, you put the device location on the top, which I can show you. Then mode, UR, album, stay tuned, tasks, care, historical location, save zones, family, Wi-Fi, shutdown disabled, and all kind of information. Bear in mind that once, I feel this is more like to get this this eSIM. It does work without the SIM via Wi-Fi, but I think it's meant to, you know, for people who want to track their kids. But I find it a bit weird how, you know, you activate this SIM without even asking you if you want to. Then you can't really delete your account or you know, do anything where you can just change your password and about the app, and that's it. You don't have any options, you know, like you can add Wi-Fi, shutdown, disable. So you can disable the function for the smart toy, so kids can't shut it down. And you can add the shutdown period if you want. You can transfer the administrator to someone else. Watch friend. This could be like maybe if someone else has a watch. Family, quick replies, care time, 60 minutes tracking every day, class mode, save zone mode, stay tuned. But it doesn't really give you any option. Once you created your account, you can't really disable it, which is a bit weird. But yeah, there you have it. Okay, so in terms of on the smartwatch, that's what you can see. The time, you can change it. So you can have whatever you want. In here you have nothing. Top down you have the battery settings. You can increase the brightness, volume, Wi-Fi. You can connect the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth as well. Take a photo with the camera. So let me show you if I take a photo of something, just to see how it looks like. Let me see if it took a photo of it. Okay, it's a bit fiddly with getting out of things, I have to say. And no idea where is that photo saved. Apparently there's albums. So yeah, it's just a basic camera. That's the photo I've taken. I'm still trying to get used to it. So this is the main menu. So you have phone, and in the phone, for example, you can call someone. And what is very weird is, like, I had the SIM card in, and it allows me to make video calls and phone calls. And I'm just hoping this is not something weird and it gets already activated, because this is unlimited data plan, but based on what? I don't know. I had to put my phone number when I've created my account, and we'll see. But yeah, it's a bit weird. So you can tap on this, and then you can either call, but it will show you your mobile phone. That's what I would want to show you. But you can literally call or video call, and it works. It works. It comes up on your screen in the app, and now it's connected to Wi-Fi. I've removed the SIM card. Messages, you can send messages as well. Ask Maggie. Let's see what this does. So you have like a monthly free quota 30 times. Hey Maggie, what is the weather like?
I didn't quite hear that.
Anyway, so something you can try. Then you can set alarms, which is quite useful for a child. Camera, Super Pet Go. I think this could be a game. Yeah, it is a game. Okay, just want to exit. What else? To-do list, activity would be more steps. That's all they can do. To-do list, you just add what things you want to do. Read for 10 minutes. Good. So drink water, wash your hands, clean the trash, wash the dishes, something like that. AI Magic Cam, mood track, and albums, and then puzzle games, stopwatch, just basic, timer. You can record your voice. Let's see how it sounds. Testing, I'm recording the voice. Testing, I'm recording the voice. Yeah, that's not bad if they need to record anything. And then calendar, calculator, and settings. And in settings is very basic. Data, roaming, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, time zone, language, alert, software updates, and power off. And that's it. Simple, and probably simple is good for kids. It's not gonna fit on my wrist. But yeah, just to get an idea. There you have it. And the camera is in the front in there. So yeah, thanks for watching. Let's just say it on.